So I'm getting ready to demo this non-load bearing wall right now for an open concept in this home in Garden Grove. Got the saws all ready to go, let's do it. Easy peasy. Awesome.
One more. Again. Up. More. Okay, hold on. There. The pins are still there.
I'm gonna mask up because it is super dusty in here, and I don't want to die. Oh! Ah, damn it. Oh, that hurt.